Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's continue with the bar charts, and we'll start with a simple bar chart. So with the simple bar chart, I'll just click on stacked bar chart visual, and then I want to drag count and drop under axis. Then I want to drag sales amount and drop under values. So we already created a simple bar chart, and let me just add the data labels. So I'll put the data labels on, and then again I need to give it a center, my title as center alignment, and I want to make my axis to be more clear, so I'll make the color to be black. The same will apply on x-axis, and then again I can give my title center alignment. Then also I'll also do a border, and then I can give it a radius of 18 px with a color, with a pinkish color. So already we have a simple bar chart. Again, on the simple bar chart, you can always do some few cosmetic changes. Let me go to data labels. Okay, let me forget about adding some more cosmetic changes, but I need to do another simple bar chart, but now on my axis I want to use country instead of, I want to use date instead of country. So let me just click again on this stacked bar chart. Then now I want to drag date and drop under axis. Again I will drag sales amount and drop under values. Then now I want the color of my data bars to be different, so I will change the color of the data bars. So I'll change this one to be, let me use pink. Again what I will do now, I will just copy the formatting for the first visual and paint on the next visual. But now let me go back again and change the data colors to be pinkish. So again now you can see we've made another simple bar chart, and it was that simple to make. So when making simple bar charts, you don't use the legend, you just use the axis and values, and perhaps the small tips when you need more analysis on your data. So ladies and gentlemen, let's stop at that for this video for simple bar chart, and I will meet on the next video for stacked bar chart.